Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes taskbar icons not showing on Windows 11J. First method is press Ctrl Shift and Escape keys. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Click File, click Run New Task, type shutdown space, -R space, -F space, -T space, 00, check create this task with administrative privileges. Second method is press Windows and R keys. Local app data %, click OK. Click View, click Show, click Hidden Items. Delete icon cache.db. Press Windows and R keys. Type shutdown space, -R space, -F space, -T space, 00. Third method, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Click File, click Run New Task, type regedit, check create this task with administrative privileges. Click and expand H-key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click and expand shell. Click and expand update, click and expand packages. Right-click New D-Word 32-bit value named as Undocking Disabled. Change value data to 1, click OK and exit Registry Editor, restart system. Click File, click Run New Task, type shutdown space, -R space, -F space, -T space, 00, check create this task with administrative privileges. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.